Welcome to Broke Daddy Investments. Today is June 10, 2020. We're looking at our Red Pills market account. Dow Jones finished down 1%. S&P 500 down 0.5%. Nasdaq is up, new all-time high. It was up 0.7% today. Small caps were down 2.5%. So we're hoping markets are going to go up tomorrow. We originally were sitting at 100% Putnam stable value. And then we looked at the charts later in the day, and it looked like the S&P 500 and small caps, the IWM, looked like they might have bounced off of some support. So we're hoping that they close the gaps that were down there and they bounce off support. If that's the case, market should be up tomorrow. I'm not sure about Friday and Monday, but next week, if the markets are up now, later next week, and possibly into the week after that, markets are going to be down. I've seen this happen many times before. So let's look at some charts. Okay, we're looking at the IWM. Looks like price came down to like a 146 area for IWM. 146 is a support area. So hopefully that holds tomorrow. If that holds tomorrow, we should expect, if it holds tomorrow and Friday, we should expect to see IWM closer to 160 in the next week. If 146 does not hold, you're probably going to see IWM down to the 140 to 130 range in the next week or so. So we're hoping that it holds, because we actually bet 40% Putnam stable value, 15% each of S&P 500, Harbor Capital, and then 30% for the SS Russell. So we got 40% Putnam stable value, 15% S&P 500, 15% Harbor Capital, 30% small caps or IWM or SS Russell, same thing. Let's see if we can make a new all-time high tomorrow with that. Let's look at financials. Financials did about the same thing. Financials came down to a 25.2. 25.2 is support for the time being. If it drops past 25.2, you're looking at close to 24 for support. That should happen in the next week or two. If it goes higher than 25.2, you'll be looking at 27 to 28 in the next week or so. Thank you for watching. Later.